The essence of who you are is far beyond the physical. Deep within you resides the Paramatma, the Supreme Soul. This is not merely a concept, but a vibrant reality. The Paramatma is the very fabric of existence, the universal consciousness that pervades all. It is the source of your life, your breath, your very being. Imagine a tiny spark, a radiant point of light. This spark is the Paramatma, dwelling within the core of your being. It is the eternal flame that never dies, the source of infinite love, wisdom, and bliss. Though it may seem hidden, it is always present, waiting to be discovered. The journey towards realizing the Paramatma is a journey inward. It is about peeling away the layers of illusion that obscure our true nature. It is about recognizing that we are not separate from the universe, but an integral part of its divine tapestry. We are all interconnected, bound together by the invisible threads of the Paramatma. The path to realizing the Paramatma is paved with self-reflection and meditation. These practices are not about escaping reality, but about diving deep into the heart of existence. Meditation is a tool, a way to still the incessant chatter of the mind and access the profound silence within. In the stillness, we begin to listen. We become aware of the subtle sensations in our body, the gentle flow of our breath, the quiet whispers of our soul. This awareness is the key to unlocking the doors to our inner world, the realm where the Paramatma resides. Selfless service is another vital aspect of the journey. By shifting our focus from our limited selves to the well-being of others, we begin to dissolve the illusion of separation. We recognize our unity with all beings, realizing that their joy is our joy, their pain our pain. As we dedicate ourselves to the service of others, the walls of ego crumble. We experience a profound shift in perspective, recognizing that true fulfillment comes not from self-gratification, but from contributing to something far greater than ourselves. Modern science, particularly quantum physics, offers intriguing parallels to the ancient wisdom of Paramatma. The concept of quantum entanglement, where seemingly separate particles are inexplicably interconnected, mirrors the interconnectedness of all beings through the Paramatma. Just as entangled particles influence each other instantaneously regardless of distance, so too are we all connected through the invisible web of consciousness. Our thoughts, emotions, and actions create ripples that extend far beyond our individual selves, impacting the world around us in subtle yet profound ways. This interconnectedness is not merely a theoretical concept, but a lived reality. When we harm another, we harm ourselves. When we spread love and kindness, we uplift not only ourselves, but the entire world. The Paramatma reminds us that we are all part of one cosmic dance, inextricably linked in the grand scheme of existence. Section 4. The quantum brain, a gateway to higher consciousness. Emerging research suggests that our brains may operate as quantum systems, utilizing quantum processes for functions like memory, consciousness, and perception. This raises profound questions about the nature of consciousness and its relationship to the Paramatma. If our brains are indeed quantum computers, then the possibilities for our evolution are limitless. We may be capable of accessing dimensions of reality far beyond our current comprehension. The Paramatma, the source of all knowledge and wisdom, could be the ultimate destination of this quantum journey. The practices of meditation and self-reflection can be seen as methods for fine-tuning our quantum brains, enhancing their capacity to perceive the subtle realms of existence. By cultivating inner stillness and clarity, we create the optimal conditions for the Paramatma to shine through, illuminating our consciousness with its divine light. Section 5. Decoherence and disease, the impact of disconnection. Quantum decoherence, the process where quantum systems lose their coherence and revert to classical behavior, offers a fascinating lens through which to understand health and disease. Just as decoherence disrupts the delicate balance within a quantum system, so too can negative emotions and thought patterns disrupt the harmonious functioning of our bodies and minds. Chronic stress, anxiety, and fear can be seen as forms of decoherence, creating disharmony within our internal quantum symphony. This disharmony can manifest as physical or mental illness, a sign that we are out of alignment with our true nature, the Paramatma. Cultivating a positive mindset, practicing gratitude, and engaging in activities that bring us joy can be seen as ways to counteract decoherence. By nurturing positive emotions and thoughts, we restore coherence within our being, promoting healing and well-being. Section 6. Holistic Health, Nurturing the Mind-Body Connection. The realization of Paramatma necessitates a holistic approach to health, recognizing the interconnectedness of our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual bodies. When we neglect any one of these aspects, we create an imbalance that can manifest as dis-ease. Meditation, yoga, and other mind-body practices can be powerful tools for cultivating holistic health. These practices help us to regulate our emotions, reduce stress, and enhance our overall well-being. They remind us that we are not merely physical beings, but complex, interconnected systems of energy. By nurturing our connection to the Paramatma through spiritual practices, we tap into an inexhaustible source of vitality and well-being. We begin to experience life from a place of inner peace and harmony, which naturally promotes physical, mental, and emotional health. Section 7. A Life of Purpose, the Transformative Power of Paramatma. The journey towards realizing the Paramatma is a lifelong adventure, a continuous process of self-discovery and growth. It is a journey that requires courage, commitment, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. But the rewards are immeasurable. As we deepen our connection to the Paramatma, we experience a profound shift in consciousness. We begin to perceive the world through the lens of unity, recognizing the interconnectedness of all things. We develop a deep sense of peace, knowing that we are an integral part of something far greater than ourselves. This realization is not merely an intellectual understanding, but a visceral experience that transforms our very being. It fills us with a sense of purpose, knowing that our lives have meaning and that we are here to contribute to the unfolding of the cosmos. The journey towards the Paramatma is a journey towards our true selves, a journey towards a life filled with love, joy, and boundless possibilities.